My relationship with Concert Technologies starts over 20 years ago. At that point, I was working for a large Fortune 500 company that was in the midst of a very, very large deployment, tens of thousands of sites, hundreds of sites per month. And quite frankly, we were struggling with it, and we had a very dissatisfied customer with the progress of that program. So I had to make the tough decision to look for other options with our deployment workforce, and we found Concert Technologies that came in and brought a different model to help us be successful in our deployment activities. Probably the biggest difference with Concert Technologies versus other firms we were using was at the core of the company, it's a project management organization. It's not an inside wiring or a structured cabling company. It is a project management organization that ensures that projects are completed on time, on schedule, and on budget. And Dennis and team were able to come in and essentially turn the program around, not only saving the program, but quite frankly, maybe saving my career in the midst of it by turning a program around and being successful. And again, they do that by managing their workforce, whether it be local or nationwide, in a way that you get confidence that when they say someone's going to be showing up at a site on a particular day for a particular job, it will happen. And when you're managing a nationwide deployment, that's critical to its success. Fast forward to today, with a much smaller firm, CWPS, but we're a regional integrator, service delivery company, managed service provider, and we have the same needs for touching customer sites throughout the country. And when I came on board with CWPS, I looked at the model we're using, which was predominantly putting people on airplanes to go to remote sites and do the installations, and said, well, Concert Technologies is perfect for this kind of a scenario. Passed their name to the sales team, and quickly was adapted as our go-to model for field deployments, smart hands deployments. And the same model that applied when we were a Fortune 500 company applies to us as a mid-tier regional player that we can trust upon Concert Technologies to deliver on the dates and on the projects and on the schedules at the cost that we identify. So kind of the bottom line is Concert Technologies has never let me down. I've always been very happy with the work they provided, and hope to have a much longer relationship than just the last 20 years that we've known each other.